Hey Project Fam, picking you guys up mid-adventure. I decided today to drive up to a salvage recycler and pick up a couple of seats for Diamond, or at least check out a couple of seats for Diamond. It was a long drive, but hopefully it wasn't a waste of my time. All right, so this is it. This is the driver's seat. It looks pretty good. I don't see any scratches or anything. Nice two-tone in the back. Airbag is in place even though I don't need it. Cool. You can tell these guys do a lot of recycling. Oh, that's where I am. Well, managed to fit both in. That was the plan all along. Okay, so we managed. Got everything in the back. Now we're gonna take a ride back. Was it worth the trip? So far, so good. Finally got everything back. This is what it looks like. Rough around the edges. What we got here. We're gonna have to take these out. See how much of a match it'll be. All right, let's take a good look. I mean, the color of the leather is almost perfect. This is actually the passenger seat. How can I tell? Because the buckle is on the left-hand side. Driver's side buckle is on the right-hand side. So let's go look at the driver's seat. This looks good. Looks like it's missing something right over here. I'm not too concerned with that. If it's a button or whatever it is, I'll just fix it. But overall, what I'll do is I'll wipe it down, use a good leather conditioner and cleaner, and start the process of getting these seats in. So these seats are from a 987. So it's a Boxster S. I think it was a 2005 to 2000 something. Don't quote me on it, but it was definitely not a 986. It's from a 987. So after I clean it up, I want to sit in it and see how it feels, because the reinforcement in this seat is gone. See all this, how it's just all caved in? Like it's just gone. There's no reinforcement. I'm actually just sitting on the ground. And if I'm gonna move this seat, I have to clean everything out of the middle right here. It's gotta go. This is just an utter mess. It is a complete mess. I need to clean up before I tackle my next project.
Yeah, and when I tell you that there's no support, like, it hurts my butt to sit in the seat. So taking out the blower because I'm trying to get rid of all the spider and the spider eggs and all the little mites that might be hanging around, and let me blow off as much as the dirt as possible and dust before I put some water to it. Just using a little bit of dishwashing liquid and some warm water, really good degreaser, and just wiping it down, getting all the excess dirt off the seat. I do plan to use one of my leather cleaner and conditioners when I'm all done, but just doing a little bit of elbow work before I get these seats in the car. And also, when you're taking this much time to really clean the seats, you get to see all the imperfections. As you could see on the right hand side, the driver's seat, there's a little divot in the seat itself. I'm almost wondering if I put a little heat to it, like with a heat gun, will I get rid of that divot? I don't know. Right now, I'm not going to do anything to break the seat. Just trying to clean it up. Real simple. I'm also trying to think of the next steps. Wiring, what do I have, what do I need? Goal is to utilize all the things I have in the garage already, not trying to waste any money. So this is one of my oldest leather conditioners. I probably had it for way too long. I love after you clean the seats with that, it makes the car smell like it's brand new. So that's one of my favorites. I think I'm gonna give it a little wash. So let's put the top up. That top sounds like a mosquito. So let's put the top up. I'm gonna finally use my little Armor All contraption that I have. I like it because sometimes I like to wash the car and it's early in the day and I don't want to use the pressure washer and wake up the neighbors. So I can use this little device from Armor All, put a lot of suds on the car, and at the same time it washes it off really easily. Like, this is really good for a quick wash. Little chit chat with the neighbors.
Yeah.
You know how it do.
Yeah, those things, huh? You're doing all right. It's my time now. Yes, sir. You know.
It's my time. Clean up the. I do what I want. A lot of people like to say, "Hey, what'd you do on the weekend?" I mow the lawn and I wash my cars. That's what I do. That's my time. Enjoying it. Again, I'm using a standard water hose. I know it looks shiny and silver. That's a whole different story, but that's a garden hose, like the green garden hose. I hook the Armor All device directly up to the garden hose. Nothing special. I can wash cars really quickly. Again, I don't even use a rag. This car sits inside, so it's not that dirty. This brush does a really, really good job and getting a nice wash and doesn't break my back. Then all I do is take off the suds container or the soap container, and now it's just a regular garden hose. And I'm able to rinse off all the suds really easily. I can wash this little car in a matter of minutes with this process.
A lot has been done. Diamond is in. Diamond's actually clean. Yeah, that's rich. Diamond is looking strong. And here are her seats. These look really good. It's the right color. Let's do a quick comparison. New seats, old seats. So, all these are old, although these are old. Yeah, I'm going to put them up for sale, along with a few other things in the garage that need to go. Next video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get to these seats. Now, they're from a different model, so I have to use a wiring diagram and splice some wires. It's not gonna be a how-to. It's gonna be, hey, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna grab some coffee. I'm gonna get y'all involved, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. Oh, and if you didn't know, yes, I cleaned the garage. That's what I did. I cleaned the garage. I needed some room, so I cleaned the garage. I'm really torn. So I bought some wrap. I wrapped the hood. It's a slate gray. It's a Porsche gray. I love that gray, but my blue is strong. Not many Porsches actually have this blue. The actual color is not blue. I don't know what to do. Do I continue wrapping because I love the way this wrap looks? Or do I take off this wrap and just spray this hood because the hood needs a respray? So let me know. Do I keep the wrap or do I just respray the hood?